saying there are no insecurity. It is too much to ignore. But to have one president just wake up one day without even engaging our president on this, no phone calls. Who even says that we have treaties that permits the US to come into our country unaided without permission? Are we not a sovereign nation anymore?
That was the question.
The fact that we do not have their military might doesn't give US that right to just declare war on our land. How sincere are they? Are they truly fighting for a group of people marginalized? Is it today that we have been calling for marginalized people? Did the US not rescue their own team in Benue? Right after the Chibok girls were kidnapped, they came into this country without the right permission, went in, lifted their people and went out. Who are the owners of the helicopters landing in our very, very resourceful sites, taking away resources unabated in this country? Is it not for the lack of our military might that we could not have confronted those people? When we sought their help, when we felt helpless and sought the help of international countries, nobody came. It is sad that we are thinking somebody will come, including Saudi, for those of you who think this is a religious issue. Right now, Sudan is the way it is. Are you following Sudan at all? We have countries in Africa completely wiped out because of their resources. Congo, right now, what are they doing in Congo? Have somebody responded to the death happening in Congo? I pray for Africans because we really need that help. Nobody is coming to save us. But if they will just leave us to manage our resources, can they stop colonizing and neo-colonizing us? We have not been able to join the Security Council in the UN till date. No African countries membership there. Every year at the General Assembly, we have African countries showing up asking because we want to truly be sovereign.
I want to tell you that the agreement between the British and the Fulani has collapsed. And the only person that collapsed it is Trump. I want the world to understand this.
Anything that is wrong with this land, wrong with this state, and by extension wrong with our nation, we decree the foundation shall be visited. The foundation of our nation shall be visited. Any agreement the British people had with our founding fathers, that is a contrary agreement. Tonight, we decree the visitation shall correct our nation. Somebody shout power! And the foundation of your own family. Two big rivers in Nigeria met here. The Niger River and the Benue River. They merge together and flowed all the way down to the sea. Benue has only the Benue River. The eastern part they have only the Niger River. You have the two rivers together. And yet you are in the midst of very terrible heat.
Nigeria. Lekwa Nigeria ma dosa ya Chineke nna de ngosi. Onye ọbụla na-ekpe ekpere ka Nigeria wee wuru ofu nna nke bridge ndị dị etu a wee la ha n'iyi. Chineke nna kiwe biko da kiwe kpọọ ha ọkụ. Kpọọ ha ọkụ kpọ ezinụlọ ha ọkụ.